Okay guys, so today we have this very amazing router here to repair, and it is Fritzbox 7590, and it's a very advanced router. It has a NAS storage function also, and it has many functions with the USB 3.0 support here. We have two USB 3.0 here, and the problem is that I diagnosed that whenever I'm plugging in the power adapter here, the power adapter turns off, which means there is a possible short in the circuit. So the power line is shorted here, and we have to diagnose it. We have to find out somehow we have to find out the short in the circuit, and there might be a capacitor which is shorted, or there might be any component, either an IC or anything that can be shorted. So I will use the voltage injection method to diagnose the short circuit. Okay, so I have prepared the voltage injection method here, and I will be injecting. I've connected the ground, and now I'm injecting. I have 3.3 volt power supply here, so let me show you. When I'm touching it, there's a clear short. That's why we are having this spark here, and it also get very hot. So I will just quickly touch this positive wire on the positive side, and then I will touch these components here, and I will try to feel the hot spots here. Since right now I don't have a thermal camera right now, so let's do it. I will just attach this wire. It's kind of rotten quite a lot here. Now I will just quickly measure all the components. It's a very high short, which is there is something hot here in this zone, here or here. This something is shorted here. We will just check. We remove the power. Okay, now we will check it. The short is somewhere around here, this side, this area. So it can be an IC or a capacitor or somewhere. Either it's an IC or it's a capacitor. So I will try to find out with an alcohol the exact spot. Okay, so I have completely make it wet. Okay, so when I will apply the voltage here, the shorted component will evaporate all the alcohol. Let me apply it. There it is. We have found the culprit here. See, this capacitor seems to be short here. Imagine this one capacitor was making the whole imagine this one single capacitor has made the whole router useless. See, it's evaporating very fast from the capacitor. So I just pointed it out. Let me show you guys. This capacitor is dead, or it is shorted. So let me remove this capacitor and then we will see if the short is gone, and hopefully we'll remove the short right now. Just connected the power again. Since it is heating up, it will easily be removed like this also. Working. We have to use a soldering iron. Usually it gets really hot, so I was thinking that if it's getting really hot, then why don't we remove it with our own hand. Wait, I'm sorry, I don't have a stand with me right now to hold thing in place. Well, I will remove the capacitor and I will come back to you guys. Okay, so I just lifted up the capacitor and now the short is gone when I'm checking. See, the meter is giving the reading higher in ohms. So now the short is gone. There's no beep, no short, direct short now after lifting up this. Now I will connect the power supply and see if it turns on. Okay, so the charger. Now let me connect it. Here is the positive and negative. Oh, we have the light here. Oh, it's amazing. It's working now, guys. It was a very expensive router and it was dead and I was really worried about it, but thankfully I found a way to make it usable again. Otherwise I would be usually these things are thrown in the trash when they are dead and they're very expensive, but it's sad. This resistor might gotten heated up a lot. That's why there's a white spot. So we managed to get it work. This is the router. This is the front part of the router, front face, power line, everything. Let me show you guys about the router. Let me remove the power. Yeah, let me show you. It has these phone functions, even the call recording and fax and all that. And also we have two USB ports and USB 3.0 ports, not an ordinary 2.0 USB. So it's a great fix. And hopefully I will be able to use it again for the next year or so. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. It was a great pleasure to share the information with you guys. So we will be able to reduce the waste in our world, and we will be able to use our resources efficiently and manage these waste, electronic waste especially, wisely. So thank you guys. Have a great day.